Good morning, dear children. In today's class, we are going to learn a new poem. It's named Lesson 5 The Little Doll. All of you repeat Lesson 5 The Little Doll. Lesson 5 The Little Doll. So, this poem is about a little doll. So, this poem was written by Charles Kingsley. This poem was written by Charles Kingsley. So, Charles Kingsley was the poet and he lost his little doll. And in this poem, we are going to learn how he got his little doll back. Now, look at the first stanza. I once had a sweet little doll, the prettiest doll in the world. Her cheeks were so red and so white, and her hair was so charmingly curled. So, in this paragraph, what they are saying means, here this I refers to the poet Charles Kingsley. So, what he had? He once had a sweet little doll, and the doll was the prettiest doll in the world. What do you mean by pretty? Pretty means very, very beautiful doll. So, the poet once he had a doll and it was the prettiest doll in the world. And how her cheeks were? Here, her cheeks were so red and so white. It was so pretty. And what about the hair? Yes, the doll's hair was so charmingly curled. Charmingly means very beautiful. And curled means to put hair in curls. So, curled means it's a curly hair. So, the poet had a very pretty doll, very sweet and pretty doll. Her cheeks were so red and so white. And what about the hair? The hair was so charmingly curled, beautifully curled hair, curly hair the doll is having. Now, look at the second paragraph. But I lost my poor little doll as I played in the heath one day, and I cried for her more than a week, but I never could find where she lay. So, what about the poor little doll? Yes, one day the poor little doll got lost. And how did the poor little doll lost one day? Yes, when the poet played in the heath. Heath means an area filled with grass. So it's a field. Heath means it's a field. So when the poet was playing in the heath one day, mistakenly the poet lost her sweet little doll. So here he mentioned the poor little doll because the doll was poor. And I cried for her more than a week. The poet cried and cried for a week. More than a week, the poet was crying again and again because he lost his poor little doll. But I never could find where she lay. But the poet could not find where the doll was laying. Now see the next paragraph. I found my poor little doll as I played in the heath one day. Folks say she is changed, for her paint is all washed away. Now in this stanza, what the poet is saying? I found my poor little doll. So one day, again, the poet went to the heath to play. So when he was playing, he found that poor little doll again. But folks say she is changed. What do you mean by folks? Folks means people. So people said, no, your doll is changed. Your doll is not as pretty as it was. Now it is changed. Why they are saying like that? Because for her paint is all washed away. Because before the doll was so pretty, it was so colorful, so pretty, so cute. But now all her paint, all the doll's paint was washed away. So the little doll is not beautiful anymore. So folks are saying, folks means people. So people are saying that your doll is not pretty, your doll is changed. Now look at the next paragraph. And her arm trodden off by the cows, and her hair not the least bit curled. Yet for old sake's sake, she is still the prettiest doll in the world. Charles Kingsley. So in this paragraph, what they are saying, and her arm trodden off by the cows. Trodden means to step on something. So the cows step on that doll. So the cows tap that doll and the doll becomes very dirty and her arm trodden off. So the arms were trodden off. The arms were stepped on by the cows. And her hair not the least bit curled. What about the curly hair? It was so pretty, so charmingly curled, before it was. But now it was not the at least bit curled. It was not least bit curled. Yet for old sake's sake, she is still. But at least it's a doll. At least I got my doll back. So still the doll is the prettiest doll in the world. The doll has lost all its beauty. The doll has lost all its color. The doll has lost its beautiful curly hair. Now it was not so red, it was not so white. It was not the prettiest doll in the world for others, but for me, but for the poet, still the doll is prettiest in the world. So this poem was written by Charles Kingsley. I hope you all like this poem, children. So you have a reading practice at your home.